In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom font in Canva. Now, before we start, I have to tell you that in order for you to be able to do this, you need at least the Pro plan of Canva, okay? You cannot do this in the free version of Canva or in the free trial as well, unfortunately. You need the paid Pro version or the Themes version of Canva, okay? It's totally up to you which one you take, but you need at least a Pro version for you to be able to do this. Now, the first way of doing it is being here in the home and pressing on brand over here, and then going inside the brand kit. And then if we scroll down here, as you can see, it says fonts. Now you simply click on add new over here, and when you have a Canva Pro or a tier above, so the themes version, you can add and upload a new font to Canva. Now this is the first option, and the second option is inside an actual project. So let me go over here, open up a random template, so let's say this one, and then once you're in a certain project, you simply click on a certain font, go up here to the change font section, and then down here, as you can see, it says upload a font. So you simply click on this, and once you have, again, Canva Pro or a tier above, you're gonna be able to upload your own font over here. And that's pretty much it. Those are the two ways of how you upload font into Canva, and I hope this video helped you out.